Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will also show you how you can mention someone in a status in WhatsApp. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes under the video and write comments after watching it. And let's you and me get down to this topic. And first of all, friends, you will need to open, of course, the WhatsApp application itself. Then go to the page where you can create your status. Next, click on My Status. Now you have two options. Either you can take a photo straight to the camera, or you can add any photo from your gallery. So let's say I'm going to choose a photo from the gallery. Next, friends, you're going to need to click on this check mark at the bottom, on the right-hand side. Now this will take you to a list of all the people that you're chatting with, that you have WhatsApp with. Next, you select the person you want. Once they've been marked, at the top, you can select more than one person. Also, next you will need to click Add from the right top. And this mention of the person will now appear in your status. And on the bottom left, you will see that a contact has been added to your status. Now you just need to click on this sign so that you can add this status to yourself. That's how it works. I hope that you found this video helpful. You have seen how you can mention someone in a WhatsApp status. Please, friends, put likes under the video, write comments, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.